Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you how to adjust the locking rod for the beak opening and closing mechanism. First, use a 3mm Allen wrench to loosen the set screws on both sides. Then, use a 5mm Allen wrench to rotate the eccentric shaft counterclockwise. Please note that the adjustment must be made in the counterclockwise direction. Refer to the video for the correct wrench position and operation. Adjust until you feel slight resistance. Do not over-tighten. After the adjustment is completed, retighten the set screws on both sides. Once tightened, check whether the locking rod can automatically return the beak mechanism to its original position. If the beak does not return properly, slightly rotate the eccentric shaft clockwise to reduce the tension. Next, rotate the beak to the open position and insert the packing strap into the opening. Then rotate the beak back to the closed position. For testing, press and hold the locking rod with your left thumb while pulling the packing strap firmly with your right hand to check whether the beak is securely locked. If the strap can be pulled out, the locking force is insufficient. In this case, rotate the eccentric shaft slightly counterclockwise and test again. After adjustment, the mechanism should meet the following two requirements. First, the locking rod must be able to return the beak mechanism automatically. Second, the packing strap must not be pulled out when a strong pulling force is applied.